In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana effectively with this step-by-step walkthrough. Whether you're new to project management or a seasoned pro, Asana can enhance your workflow and keep your team aligned. Let's dive in and make the most out of this fantastic tool. To start, go to asana.com and sign up using your email address. Once you've registered, you'll be prompted to set up your workspace. This workspace will be the central hub where all your projects and tasks will reside. It's important to think about the structure of your workspace and who you'll be collaborating with, so take some time to set that up carefully. Now let's create a project. In your Asana sidebar, click on the plus new button. You'll have the option to start a blank project or use one of Asana's templates that cater to different types of workflows. Once you've chosen the most suitable option, it's time to give your project a name. You'll also need to decide on the layout that best matches your project needs. The list view works well for straightforward task lists. If you're a fan of Kanban style management, the board view is perfect. For projects with timelines, choose the timeline view. And if visualizing your tasks on a calendar suits your style, opt for the calendar view. Each option offers a different perspective, so choose wisely based on your team's requirements. Creating and assigning tasks is the heartbeat of Asana. Click on the Add Task button within your project and start by giving your task a clear, concise title. Follow this with a detailed description, making sure anyone assigned knows exactly what's needed. Next, set a due date and assign the task to the right team member. Organization is key, so leverage other features like adding attachments, subtasks, and any relevant links that will support task completion efficiently. Collaboration is central to Asana, so utilize the comment section to provide updates or seek clarifications. If you need to get a team member's attention, use the @chat symbol to tag them directly in comments. Adding followers to tasks ensures stakeholders remain informed, and you can upload vital documents from your computer or cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox to keep everything in one place. Tracking progress in Asana is straightforward. Use the My Tasks section to view your own assigned tasks in one glance. Check your inbox regularly for any notifications and updates. For a bigger picture, the dashboard provides insights into project progress through easy-to-read charts and reports, giving you a comprehensive outlook. Finally, leverage Asana's automation and integration capabilities to make your workflow seamless. Create rules that automate routine tasks, whether that's assigning tasks, updating statuses, or sending notifications. Further expand Asana's utility by integrating it with tools you already use, such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Google Calendar, bringing all your tools under one roof. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Asana effectively. With these steps, you're now equipped to organize your projects and collaborate with your team more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.